scheme to manipulate these votes. The inverse of that, and the only way that the county could possibly say that they have an absolute answer to the question of whether or not the votes were manipulated, is if they could demonstrate that indeed the link was sent to an individual and that the IP address of that phone gadget was the one that cast those votes. Mr. Speaker, sir, to the extent that the audit report brought to you avoids by design to give you that information, Mr. Speaker, sir, we say creates a doubt in your mind. In closing my part of my submission as I hand over to my learned friend, Mr. Speaker, sir, this is our argument, that indeed there was no voting, and therefore the threshold of 2/3 was not achieved. But as a rider to that argument, Mr. Speaker, sir, and the honorable senators, it is our argument that even if, as my learned friend says, there is a possibility that this system was okay, if there is doubt in your minds that indeed this system might not have been foolproof, if there is doubt, that is enough reason for you to decline entertaining and determining this motion. For all those reasons, Mr. Speaker, sir, and honorable senators, we pray that you reject this motion on the basis that you are not satisfied that indeed there was a motion that was properly considered, that it was properly voted for, and that the purport that there were 33 MCAs supporting the motion has been achieved. That's all, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Speaker, sir, I will stick to the time. Yes, in quick rebuttal, I would like to invite the honorable senators to look at the governor's response at page 113. My colleague, Mr. Ngoya, talked about one MCA. That's the governor's response, page 113. The governor's response, volume 1, at page 113. The governor's response, volume 1, at page 113, because ultimately for the Senate to determine that the motion is properly before it, it must be satisfied on the threshold. From the 47 MCAs in the county assembly, at least the threshold requires that 32 of them vote in favor of the impeachment motion. Now, at page 113, it is true what Mr. Ongoya has said, that one MCA has sworn an affidavit. Principally, they jumped ship, swore an affidavit saying that they didn't meant what they said. But there are 17 other MCAs who have evidence in support of the PO at page 113. 17 MCAs. Ultimately, this is a process that follows the law. The Constitution is the Senate is a house of record, house that follows the Constitution, follows the law and the standing orders, and looks and listens to the evidence. So, what is the evidence that I am showing you here? At page 115 is the evidence of 17 MCAs who have said they never supported the motion. So, what does it mean? Do we have contrary evidence to rebut the cogent allegations by these 17 MCAs? If you do a quick calculation, minus 47, minus the 17 from 47, how many numbers do we have? We have 30. Does 30 meet the threshold in section 33(2) of the County Government Act? The answer is definitely not. Do we need to wait for this question to be subjected to trial the way Mr. Ongoya has invited? The answer is no. The evidence is before the Senate to determine the issue. What about the logs? We are relying on the logs given to us by the county assembly. They are the ones with access to the system. They printed it out and submitted to the Senate. We are simply relying on it, and we have pointed out more than 10 mistakes on the logs. Why can't they just do impeachment on the right thing? Why are they hiding in technology, trying to manipulate the votes for purposes of achieving an objective which the Constitution requires a very high threshold. Just to finish, Mr. Speaker, sir, we have also audio evidence, KB1, which we request that when you retire, you can have opportunity to look at it. That is KB1. It just fortifies you, it fortifies this fundamental point, that we have a problem on this matter that is before the Senate, at the threshold question. One of my colleagues, Mr. Speaker, sir, asking if we can play the audio. We have time for the audio. With your permission, can we play it?
Proceed. You have 2 minutes to do that. The Senate will rise at exactly 1:15.
Yes, we are requesting that KB1 be played. Sorry.
Mr. Speaker, subject to your guidance, I'm just wondering whether introduction of new evidence in this matter, I'll be able to respond to it, because that's now new evidence.
It is part of the bundle. Yes. It's part of the evidence that is already on record.
Because we can't comment on it once they have played it, but we could have commented on it, Mr. Speaker. If they had played it earlier, then we can comment in our response.
Just proceed and play the video.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir, we request for the KB1 to be played by the ICT staff.
We urge more counties to do their own ERP system just the way they are doing. It is something that has made the county work efficiently in terms of their elections.
Don't waste time. You're giving the out of the country, Wendy.
Your Honor, the screens, Mr. Speaker said the screens are off. There was a transcript. Yeah.
Don't waste time. You're giving the out of the country, Wendy. Is ready. Ona mwanachi, mwamaja wa itu tune. Yangi male posters. Kifutani enyina bread sign an affidavit ko rone agi bet in fact oda muja dengone 200,000 agi we kabisa
oja wakso
imaje ana iwendi
jawa agi mutambi that agi birwa go Dubai bari ki wolo ofore na mugimo
Dubai muti we mache gani ma muje cho
ami resap kabisa kimi ak lok kyukwe
mache ngero yawe na ge ma cho policy kaza ngibe na mora oya jabruz kura otiana
go biru wangure
ami sene because of you
pada ura anda nyone yeah
are go e chenga banas
yeah yeah kama arorun yeah thank you bro kama lini nduti
you are defending a governor ndigibe sarta cha
are aize ne to tiada
yeah jawi wigabza are boy bilis ne mulis ne wagibete chevlange wigidogaro ngerijo agbe suena bideze kabirgura.
Time is up.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir, thank you very much for